The smartphone war is heating up once again as Apple's officially dropped the iPhone 17 lineup, and Samsung's Galaxy S26 is already stirring up buzz for its early 2026 debut. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of all the tech updates. As both tech giants push boundaries in design, camera tech, and AI performance, the real question is, which one is worth waiting or upgrading for? Let's talk cameras first. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is tipped to bring a revamped 200-megapixel ISO-cell HP2 sensor with a wider f1.4 aperture, a game-changer for night photography, potentially capturing up to 47% more light than the previous one. Apple, on the other hand, is betting big on computational photography. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max now feature stronger ultra-wide lenses and advanced low-light image processing. Here's the kicker. While Samsung sticks to 3x optical zoom, Apple's base models still crop digitally. Zoom lovers might lean Samsung's way. In design, Apple dropped jaws with the iPhone 17 Air with a wafer-thin 5.6mm build, the slimmest iPhone ever. Not to be outdone, Samsung is rumored to fight back with the 5.5mm S26 Edge. But Apple's finish remains sleeker, especially with less camera bump and fuss. If we look inside, Apple's A19 Pro chip built on a 2nm process is all about power and AI-driven efficiency. Samsung counters with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 or its own Exynos 2600, promising faster graphics and smarter AI, potentially closing the long-standing performance gap. Bottom line is, iPhone 17 leads in elegance and chip efficiency. Samsung's S26 aims to steal the spotlight with raw camera power and AI grunt. The stage is set, so pick your side. Which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.